the part which generally comes in the examination. And what they will do, they will write which of the following is first order reaction, which of the following is second order reaction. There are so many examples, but the most popular examples are given here. For zero order reaction, it's a decomposition of HI on gold surface. Or adsorption of gases on the metal surface is also example of zero order reaction. For first order reaction, decomposition reactions of N2O5, N2O5 on decomposition, it is giving NO2 and O2. S2O2 on decomposition, it gives S2O and half O2. All radioactivity reactions are first order reaction. Inversion of cane sugar is the first order reaction. When we go for the second order reaction, it's a thermal decomposition of acetaldehyde. We will see that the same acetaldehyde will come under fractional order 1.5 also. In that case, here temperature will be approximately 773. So if it is no temperature is given, only word is given, then it's a second order reaction. If very high temperature is given, then it's a first order reaction, 1.5 order reaction, fractional order reaction, which has to come later. Second one is saponification of ester. And saponification of ester means this is the ester salt. This is the ester salt. When reacted with the base, it is given salt of acid plus alcohol. Thermal decomposition of NO2. NO2 on thermal decomposition, it gives NO and O2. So we have to learn some third order reaction also and fraction order reaction also. Okay. So here it is example of second order reaction. इसमें और भी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, जैसे ये पर सल्फेट है, आयोडाइड के साथ कंबाइन कर रहा है आयोडाइड के साथ, एंड इट गिव्स SO4 2 नेगेटिव एंड आयोडीन. इस केस के अंदर में ये इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल रिएक्शन जो बहुत ही फेमस रिएक्शन है. डबल बॉन्ड को हमने रिएक्ट कराया, इट कन्वर्टेड टू सिंगल बॉन्ड. थर्ड केस के अंदर में थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड. इसमें लास्ट स्लाइड के अंदर देखा होगा, यहाँ पे NO2 भी था, NO2 एंड N2O. Thermal decomposition of this oxide undergoes second order reaction. This is example of third order reaction. This is example of third order reaction. This is third order reaction. यहाँ पे देखो, NO reaction of NO with halogen Br2, Cl2 and hydrogen and oxygen. These four are very common, very popular. And in first two case, NOCl, NOBr, this type of compound is there. In third case, it's a nitrous oxide. इस केस के अंदर में नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड बन रहा. तो तुम्हें ये जब भी NO के साथ के रिएक्शन है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स ए थर्ड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. इस रिएक्शन के अंदर में इट्स ए डबल डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. वाई बिकॉज इट्स ए रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन. वाई बिकॉज इट्स ए +3, इट्स ए +2 and it's a +2, it's a +2 and it goes to +4. So Fe salt is getting reduced, Fe salt is getting reduced and Sn salt is getting oxidized. So this is one of the most popular example which comes in the examination. If they write like this, then they are expecting you that you should be in the position to write that order is third order reaction. Example of fractional order. Example of fractional order. So fractional order reaction is reaction between hydrogen and deuterium. When it goes for the reaction, directly proportional to concentration of hydrogen, but it is directly proportional to 0.5 under root of concentration of D2. It's a under root of the concentration of D2. Last time I told you CH3CHO. Sometimes it is second order reaction. In this case, it's a 1.5 order reaction. So you need to find out the temperature. If the temperature is given and it is 723, or suppose they write 700 to 750, then in that case the order is 1.5 order. In the next slide we will see some more example.